Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges, and we get a lot of questions about what comes included in the packaging when you purchase one of our gauges. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in our 10-color digital boost vacuum and temperature combo gauge. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm dual digital boost vacuum and temperature gauge with 2 digital displays and a color change button on the front. Also included in the packaging, a 3-foot silicone boost vacuum hose, a 9-foot boost vacuum sensor harness, an electronic boost vacuum sensor, a 9-foot temperature sensor harness with bullet-style connectors, a boost line T-fitting with hose clamps, an inline boost filter, a temperature sensor with bullet-style connectors, a 3-foot power harness, a mounting bracket and hardware, a gauge visor for sun glare, and full color installation instructions. If you need any additional vehicle-specific installation accessories, feel free to visit our website at glowshiftgauges.com.